Are you ready to elevate your website's interactivity and user experience to new heights? Introducing Webydo's innovative AI digital avatar, crafted to enhance user engagement like never before. Imagine a 3D avatar on your site, capable of real conversations and real-time responses to visitors. These AI avatars are not mere static images, they're lively and responsive, creating unique interactions. Customization is key, as you can tailor the avatar's appearance and voice to reflect your brand identity. Real-time interaction transforms ordinary browsing into a personalized experience that captivates every visitor. With intelligent recognition of past interactions, the AI avatar welcomes users back with tailored suggestions. It's no secret that real-time communication significantly boosts user engagement and reduces bounce rates. Integration is effortless, allowing you to add this cutting-edge avatar to your Webydo site swiftly. Embrace the future of web design with AI avatars, maximize your site's potential and leave a lasting impression.